So if every time you keep getting this error saying disk not ejected properly on your MacBook Neo, it means you're plugging things in and out of your MacBook Neo, like mostly external devices like USB flash drives or card readers, without unmounting fast. Okay, so if you have something plugged in, okay, let me just close this. If you pull it out without unmounting, you're always going to get that error. So the only way not to get that error is to properly unmount. So I'm going to plug this back in. And now let's just wait for it to appear. Instead of just pulling it out and getting that error, you right click on it and then select eject. Once it disappears from the screen, that's when you pull it out. So just give it a moment. There you go. So it's gone from the screen. Now you can pull it out and you won't get that error. Okay, so that's why you're getting that error, and that's how to avoid that error. Thanks for watching and good luck.